Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Scope Gala 2025. As you can see, I'm standing on our very own red carpets and you can see our beautiful backdrop. So today is going to be a day of celebration. Make sure you guys stay tuned. This is going to be amazing.
You don't know who you're going to inspire. You don't know who you're going to touch. You don't know what mountains you're going to move for people on their path to their journey. There's so many of you guys here that are great people individually. And I know many of you guys, if you just collaborate and connect, only Allah knows what we can achieve, guys.
I remember the days where, they lost a university challenge to a bunch of teenagers, and here they are today, suited and booted, able to bring hundreds of people into a room together. So yeah, the one word I'd describe them in is growth.
What a day. What a night. Oh my man, the amount of people we met, the amount of people we celebrated today, it truly brings joy to my heart. Thank you all for tuning in. This has been a monumentous occasion and I can't wait to do this year after year after year.